how to use path array command. You see, they have is modify panel. How to use? Let's learn. First of all, we make is here one polyline. From here, you see this one, it's a polyline. Now I will draw is here one circle. This one is one circle. Now active the command from modify panel, path array. Active, now is active the command. Select object, which object you want to is path array. I will select this object, then click from mouse, right click, then select the path, which path you want to array. I will select this way. Now you see this one is array command is used. If you want to increase and decrease this circle to circle is distance, you can change from here. Now I have is here, you see 15,120 mm. So I was give him 5,000 mm. You see now it's too much. So if I would give him to 1,000, 15,000, you see now is distance 15,000. Let's check the dimension from distance from here to here. You see there is 15,000 center to center. So this is the use of path array command. Thank you for watching this video.